Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the symmetrical mirror feature. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, yeah, this feature is pretty handy if, let's say, you're creating or you've drawn some form of shape, you've scanned it in and you traced the image, or you've just traced some image off the internet and but you want it to be symmetrical, the final cut. So what we can do is we cancel here. We can also select our shape. Let's say you can see this heart, it's not quite symmetrical, the one side is a bit lopsided. That happens a lot when you're trying to draw something symmetrical or just tracing an image of something. Now, like I mentioned, you can select the shape either by clicking on it, or you can drag a selection box over it. Make sure the selection box covers all the edges, otherwise it won't select it. And then you can also just keep shifting, and then you can just select a portion of it, then it will actually select the shape. Or you can go on your layers panel here on the right and just click on the heart. Then to locate the effect, we want to go to our top menu here to effects. Then you navigate down till you find a symmetrical mirror. So once we've opened this, we'll be met with this little pop-up menu. Now, first under our settings is the mirror, and this is what it's going to mirror. Left to right at this moment is the default. Then you can go right to left. So if you like the shape of the right side of the heart more, then we also have top to bottom. And then we've got bottom to top. So let's just stick to the default for now. And then next up here, we've got center X and Y. So this setting here, you can adjust it. And if we look here at the bottom, you can see where how the actual center of the line adjusts. So you can adjust it in that way. Or what you can do, it also works the same for Y if you're going from top to bottom or bottom to top. And a more simple way you can do it is you just click on this black line and you drag it. So you can read fine. So if you're not sure, you can always zoom in, and then you just drag this till you find that center point. You can zoom out. Then you go update preview, and then you can see, okay, well, here we've got a nice symmetrical shape now. And then we also, if you want to add a cut line to the center or stuff like that, you can add a center line here. And if we click OK, then you will notice it's replaced our previous shape with the new symmetrical one. So we'll go to print preview here. We can see there is our new shape, but under that is the center line as well. So if we go preview now, you will see the center cut is gone. So if you do add that feature, add center line, just keep in mind it's just another layer with a cut line on the center. So if you need that for your design. Then another fancy feature that you can use this for, let's say you've got like a weird shape, like some flowing shape or something like that, but you want to create it into a pattern. And once again, we go again to effects, we go symmetrical mirror. Then what you can do, let's keep it on left to right, just update the preview, see what it looks like. Maybe we can adjust this a bit more, somewhere like here. Then you can say okay, and now you select the same shape, go to effects, and go to symmetrical mirror again. Now this time we select something like top to bottom. We can adjust this. Let's go update preview. You can see we can create quite unique shapes now, just based off one shape that we had. And if you like it, you click OK, and then here we have a very unique design. So it's a nice tool to use to make new designs. It's quite unique. Otherwise, that's the basics on the symmetrical mirror. If you guys navigate to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just navigate to the downloads page. Otherwise, on softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video and more like it. Also, like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also if you want to isolate your search, there's a search bar on top here on the right. Then if you don't find what you're looking for, just go request a training video and then we will make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.